ayun po, pagkatapos ng chastisement, there will be peace. Ito po ang reign ng Immaculate Heart. At ang reconciliation of God with man. Our Lord Jesus Christ will be served, adored, and glorified. Ayun, sasambahin ng ating Panginoon at i-glorify. At magkakaroon ng charity. Charity will flourish everywhere. At magkakaroon ng bagong hari na ang kanang kamay ng Holy Church, na magiging strong, malakas, humble, pious, poor, zealous, and imitative of the virtues of Jesus Christ. Ayun. So, ito po, magiging pagkatapos ng chastisement, magkakaroon ng reign ng ating Panginoong Jesus na siya ay isi-serve. The gospel will be preached everywhere, and men will make great studies in the strides, great strides in faith. Ayun po, lalago na ang faith. Because there will be unity among Jesus Christ's workers, and men will live in the fear of God. Ito po, magkaroon na ng unity ng workers ng ating Panginoon at magkakaroon na ng fear of God. Dahil